Struggling with high electricity bills, unreliable power, or complex generator setups? Traditional generators can be noisy, inefficient, and fuel-dependent. That's where permanent magnet generators come in. These advanced systems offer cleaner energy, low maintenance, and efficient power generation even at low speeds. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best magnet generators, powerful, reliable, and perfect for wind, water, or off-grid use. We analyzed product specs and real user feedback to bring you this list. Check the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. SMARAAD Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator. The SMARAAD Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator is a compact yet efficient solution for low-speed energy generation. Designed for both wind and water applications, it supports 500-watt output with 12-volt and 24-volt options, making it ideal for small household setups. Its gearless design reduces noise and mechanical wear, ensuring longer durability and smoother performance. With the ability to convert to 220-volt output, it fits various home energy needs. Lightweight and easy to install, this generator is perfect for beginners looking to explore renewable energy solutions. Number 4. Rewindagic High-Power Permanent Magnet Generator. The Rewindagic Permanent Magnet Generator is built for serious power generation, offering options from 20 kilowatts up to 100 kilowatts. It operates at around 400 RPM, delivering efficient output even at relatively low speeds. With multiple voltage options like 110 volt, 220 volt, and 380 volts, it suits both residential and industrial applications. The quiet operation makes it a great alternative to noisy traditional generators, while its strong build ensures long-term durability. Ideal for wind turbines or mechanical drive systems, this generator is perfect for users needing high-capacity energy production. Number 3. SMARAAD Horizontal Wind Turbine Generator. The SMARAAD 5000W Horizontal Wind Turbine Generator combines strong power output with reliable performance. Supporting multiple voltage options including 24-volt, 48-volt, and 96-volt, it's designed for flexible energy systems. This generator works efficiently with wind energy and includes inverter support for stable 220-volt output. Its magnetic dynamo system ensures consistent performance while minimizing energy loss. Built for home and off-grid use, it's ideal for users who want a powerful yet efficient renewable energy solution. Durable construction and strong output make it a dependable choice. Number 2. Low-Speed 3-Phase Permanent Magnet Generator. This low-speed 3-phase permanent magnet generator is engineered for efficient energy production in both wind and water systems. With power options ranging from 15 kW to 20 kW, it delivers strong output even at lower rotational speeds. Supporting 48-volt and 220-volt configurations, it's suitable for various applications, from home setups to small-scale industrial use. Its 3-phase design ensures stable and consistent electricity generation. Built for durability and long-term use, this generator is perfect for users who want reliable, low-maintenance renewable power. Number 1. FLTXNY Maglev Permanent Magnet Generator. The FLTXNY Maglev generator stands out as the most advanced option on this list. Featuring a coreless design with magnetic levitation technology, it reduces friction and boosts efficiency, especially at low RPM. Its outer and inner rotor structure enhances power generation while maintaining smooth and quiet operation. Ideal for vertical wind turbine setups, this generator offers high performance with minimal maintenance. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for modern renewable energy systems where efficiency and durability are top priorities. If you're looking for clean, efficient, and low-maintenance power solutions, permanent magnet generators are a smart choice. These top 5 options offer everything from compact setups to high-power systems. Whether for home, wind, or water energy, there's a perfect generator here. Which one fits your needs? Comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.